एडिटोरिया करते हैं। देखो यहाँ से, प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू हैज अप्रूव्ड द लद्दाख ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज रेगुलेशन 2025। अंडर दिस इंग्लिश, हिंदी और उर्दू, भोती और पुर्गी हैव बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ लद्दाख। मतलब नॉर्मल थ्री तो ठीक है, भोती और पुर्गी, ठीक है। यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह inaugurated द भारतीय भाषा अनुभाग Indian language section in New Delhi. Its aim is to reduce dominance of foreign language in India's administrative functioning and promote Indian languages. तो क्या है भारतीय भाषा अनुभाग? अंडर आर्टिकल 240 ऑफ Constitution, President Draupadi Murmu has issued the Union Territory of Ladakh Reservation Amendment Regulation 2025, which amends Section 3, Subclause 1 of Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Act of 2004. It provides for up to 85% reservation in local jobs for residents of Ladakh. 85% reservation. Okay. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर रिजर्वेशन एक्ट 2004 था, उसका सेक्शन 3 सब क्लॉज 1 को अमेंड किया। कितना परसेंट रिजर्वेशन है? 85%। ओके। और आर्टिकल जो डील कर रहा है 240, ठीक है। अकॉर्डिंग टू रिसेंटली रिलीज रिपोर्ट, बेंगलुरु हैज बिकम द मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी विद द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ लेपर्ड्स। ठीक है, बेंगलुरु में सबसे ज्यादा लिपर्ड्स हैं एंड इज नाउ नोन एज लिपर्ड कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया। अराउंड 80 to 85 wild leopards have been found in the city. For the first time in the history, the world's first unified global bird checklit AV list, AV list, AV माने होता है avian और list और list, has been officially released. This list has been jointly prepared by scientists and experts from several prestigious global organizations. The AV list includes 11,131 species of bird, 19,879 subspecies, two 2,376 genre और 200 252 फैमिलीज एंड 46 ऑर्डर। अरे ये अपन से नॉर्मली आपसे ये पूछ सकता है कि ईबी लिस्ट क्या है, तो आपको बताना है कि ये वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट यूनिफाइड ग्लोबल बर्ड चेकलिस्ट है, ठीक है। अकॉर्डिंग टू रिसेंट रिपोर्ट रिलीज बाय वर्ल्ड बैंक, द पॉवर्टी रेट इन इंडिया रिड्यूस हुआ है। हमारा पॉवर्टी रेट 2011-12 में जो 27.1% था, वो अभी 55.3% हो गया है। कब? 2022-23 में। As per a new democratic, as per a new demographic report released by United Nations, India's population is projected to reach 1.46 billion by 2025. India's fertility rate has declined to 1.9 child per woman, which is below their replacement rate, जो है 2.1. To celebrate Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 11th year in office, Namo app launched a Janman survey to gather public feedback on the country's progress. An 800-year-old Shiva temple from later Pandya period has discovered in Velur, Tamil Nadu. कितना? 800 साल पुराना शिवा टेम्पल कहाँ? वेलूर, तमिलनाडु में। Flipkart has recently become the first Indian e-commerce company to receive NBFC license from Reserve Bank of India. This license allowed Flipkart to directly offer loan to its customers. Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting and Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. L. Murugan, inaugurated the National e-Vidan application for Pondicherry Assembly. National e-Vidan application for Pondicherry Assembly. With this, the Pondicherry Assembly will now function as a fully digital and paperless legislature. Assam government has announced that it will issue weapon lessons to indigenous residents and local living in sensitive and border area for self-defense. Union Cabinet has approved two railway projects worth 6,405 crore. The Koderma Barkakana doubling in Jharkhand and Ballari Shikjazur doubling. ठीक है, कोडेरमा से बरकाकाना और बलारी से चिकजाजूर इन कर्नाटका एंड आंध्र प्रदेश। ठीक है। ठीक है, एक झारखंड में है, एक आंध्र प्रदेश कर्नाटका में, ये पूछ सकते हैं ऐसे नॉर्मल। कोडेरमा बरकाकाना और बलारी चिकजाजूर। Ministry of Railway is planning to make e-Aadhaar authentication mandatory for तत्काल बुकिंग to curb ticket fraud। ठीक है। अब आते हैं, महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट हैज अनाउंस द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ बेसिक मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग फॉर स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम क्लास 1। द एम इज टू इंस्टॉल पेट्रियोटिज्म एंड इंश्योर द होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस। यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री फॉर माइनॉरिटी अफेयर Union Minister for Minority Affairs Kiran Rijiju inaugurated the Lok Samvardhan Parv in New Delhi to promote cultural and economic empowerment of minority community. The festival provides a platform for minority community in India to showcase their talent and traditions. India Post has launched a new postal service called Gyan Post to deliver educational, cultural, religious, and social books to across the country at affordable rate. Union Ministry of Tourism has announced the development of India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef around the decommissioned barship INS Guldar on the Sindhu Durg coast of Maharashtra। मतलब म्यूजियम बन रहा है, किस पे बन रहा है? आईएनएस गुलदार पे बन रहा है, सिंधु दुर्ग कोस्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। The project will be implemented by Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. Its objective is to promote marine tourism and environmental conservation. The Telangana State Department of Education has signed agreement with NGO to upgrade teaching tools and improve the quality of education in government schools. Amitabh Kant Amitabh Kant has resigned from the post of G20 Sherpa. He was appointed in July 2022 and played a key role during the G20 presidency in 2023. The government of India has recently instructed its public sector company, Indian Rare Earth Limited, to suspend its rare earth element export agreement with Japan। सस्पेंड करवा दिया इनने। ठीक है। Cipla Health, a company in India's consumer healthcare sector, has launched a campaign titled Cipladine, Your First Aid Expert, with actress Neena Gupta appointed as brand ambassador. Government of India has chosen Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh as the national host for 11th anniversary of National Yoga Day to celebrate जो 21 जून 2025 को 12 जून 2025 an Air India Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner crashed in Ahmedabad, resulting in the death of 241 people on board and one person named Viswas Kumar Ramesh survived. Google has estimated its safety engineering center in Asia Pacific region in Hyderabad. This center will bring together team focused on privacy, security engineering, and advanced cyber security to address India's digital landscape. To promote industrial development, the Punjab government has launched Udyog Kranti initiative on June 10, 2025. Its aim is to position Punjab as a competitive industrial destination and attract both domestic and international investment. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw inaugurated India's longest automobile Gati Shakti multi-modal cargo terminal at Maruti Suzuki Manesar plant in Haryana. Largest automobile Gati Shakti multi-modal cargo terminal. This terminal is the part of Haryana Orbital Rail Corridor and is connected to Patli railway station through a 10-kilometer rail link. On 14 June 2025, Union Minister of State for Rural Development Kamlesh Paswan inaugurated India's first Garuna Aerospace Agriculture Drone Indigenization Center in Chennai. Garuna Aerospace Agriculture Drone Indigenization Center in Chennai. This center will promote drone manufacturing and skill development in India. To simplify toll payment for private vehicle and promote seamless toll connection on national highway, the government of India has launched FASTag based annual pass worth 3000. ठीक है. Okay. Following Operation Sindoor, a chief chiefs Chiefs Chintan meeting was organized in New Delhi to strengthen cooperation among the former chiefs of Indian Army. For the first time, Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram, has been connected to Indian Railway network. The Bairabi Serang railway line completed, which link Aizawl with rest of the country. Bairabi Serang, ठीक है. Madhya Pradesh has become the first Indian state to connect all urban local body through a single digital platform, e-Nagarpalika 2.0. The aim of this initiative to make citizen service more transparent and efficient. Professor M. Satish Kumar has been appointed as first dean of Queen's University Belfast New International Campus in Gift City, Gujarat. Professor M. Satish Kumar, Queen University Belfast न्यू इंटरनेशनल कैंपस इन गिफ्ट सिटी गुजरात. ठीक है, तो सतीश कुमार को उसका डीन बनाया गया है, फर्स्ट डीन. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट हेल्ड द फर्स्ट नेशनल consultation on gender budgeting in New Delhi. ठीक है. The discussion focused on strengthening gender budgeting across sector for the financial year 2025-26. A gender budget of 4.49 lakh crore 4.49 lakh crore has been allocated, which is 37% higher than previous year. State of India's environment 2025 in figure report was released by Down to Earth magazine and Center for Science and Environment. According to this report, no Indian state has scored more than 70 out of 100 in environmental performance. Andhra Pradesh ranked first in environmental category with score 68.38. कौन फर्स्ट किया है? आंध्र प्रदेश. क्या नाम है? स्टेट ऑफ इंडियाज एनवायरमेंट रिपोर्ट 2025. कौन निकाला? डाउन टू अर्थ मैगजीन और सेंटर फॉर साइंस एंड एनवायरमेंट, एनजीओ है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड 28 डेवलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट वर्थ 5,900 करोड़ इन सिवान डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बिहार. कहाँ? सिवान में. A key highlight among them was the advanced locomotive manufactured at Marhora Rail Factory, meant for export to Republic of Guinea. 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 Guinea, ठीक है. तो ये एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है Marhora Rail Factory. In addition, the project include Vaisali Devariya Rail Line project, Vande Bharat Express between Patliputra and Gorakhpur, a sewage treatment plant, a battery energy storage system, and more. Arunachal Arunachal Pradesh government has released 2025 to 2025 से 35 as the decade of hydropower project with the aim of harnessing state estimated 58,000 megawatt hydropower potential. The East Coast Railway has launched E-Core Yatra app. कौन सा? E-Core Yatra app to provide pilgrimism with information on railway services, automations, passenger facility for Rath Yatra in Puri, Odisha. On the occasion of NDA government's first anniversary, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu unveiled the Swarna Andhra Pradesh at the rate 2047 vision, the first step for good governance program. The aim is to rebuilt state's economy, infrastructure, governance, and more. ठीक है. The Union Public Service Commission has launched Pratibha Setu to connect exam qualified candidate with employer. Under this initiative, candidate who did not make it to the final list can still be recruited by both government and private employers. Uttar Pradesh has become the top performing state in digital public procurement through government e-market place. ठीक है. 24 जून 2025 प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड द सैनिटरी सेलिब्रेशन सेंचुरी सेंचुरी सेलिब्रेशन इन न्यू दिल्ली सेंचुरी है century celebration in New Delhi to mark 100 years of historic dialogue between Mahatma Gandhi and Sri Narayan Guru. ठीक है. Sri Narayan Guru SC/ST rights से related है. Under the central government, Ullas Now Bharat Saksharta कार्यक्रम Tripura has officially become the third fully literate state after Mizoram and Goa. ठीक है. तो उल्लास के अंतर्गत मिजोरम, गोवा और अभी त्रिपुरा थर्ड है. Government of India has announced that caste-based census in the snow-covered region of Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, and Uttarakhand will begin in October 2026, while it will commence in rest of the India in March 2027. On 20th June 2025, the President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the Rashtrapati Tapovan and Rashtrapati Niketan in Dehradun on the 67th birthday, which has been opened to public. Rashtrapati Tapovan and Rashtrapati Niketan. Ministry of Education released the Performance Grading Index 2.0 report for 2023-24. According to the report, Chandigarh secured the top rank for a third consecutive year with 703 out of 1000 points. while मेघालय बॉटम है. तो हमने देखा कि जो चंडीगढ़ है वो फर्स्ट है और मेघालय जो है वो बॉटम पे है. ठीक है. ओके. Maharashtra government has declared Hindi as the third common language from class 1 to 5 in Marathi and English medium schools in state. 21st June 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the world's largest yoga session with 3 lakh people in Visakhapatnam on the occasion of 11th International Yoga Day. It was recorded in Guinness Book of World Record as the largest yoga gathering in the world. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, Uttarakhand became the first state to implement a yoga policy. Its objective is to establish Uttarakhand as a yoga destination in the field of yoga. Global destination बनाना है. Assam government announced OBC reserve status for transgender community and 50% reservation in supervisor level post for आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर. अच्छा, अगर आप आंगनवाड़ी से हो तो आपको 50% रिजर्वेशन मिलेगा सुपरविजन पोस्ट में. और आसाम गवर्नमेंट ने ओबीसी के लिए ट्रांसजेंडर स्टेटस दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. ऑन 9 जून 2025, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी लॉन्च्ड ज्ञान भारतम मिशन, formerly the National Manuscript Mission, with the budget of 60 crore to digitalize, document and preserve over 30 million manuscripts. ठीक है. अब है तुम्हारा रंगाचेरा विलेज इन त्रिपुरा was declared as first green village. Rangachera village. Based on intelligence received from Operation Hawk led by United States, the Central Bureau of Investigation took action against a cybercrime network involved in child sexual exploitation with global connection. India India has become the first country in the world to develop genome-edited rice variety. Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan launched the first two genome-edited rice varieties developed by iCare. इसमें क्या है? DRR धान 100 कमला and Pusa DST rice 1. ठीक है। DRR मतलब 100 कमला, DRR 100 कमला, और पूसा DST राइस बन। अंडर ऑपरेशन Olivia, the Indian Coast Guard protected olive ridley turtle along the तुम्हारा Odisha coast. With the goal of comprehensive development of Northeast region, the Rising Northeast Investor Summit 2025 was organized in Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. अभी नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए न्यू दिल्ली में, ये ध्यान रखना। Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, in collaboration with Indian Institutes of Mass Communication, successfully organized 8th National Community Radio Conference at Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai. Maharashtra government repurchased the prestigious sword of Raje Raghuji Bhosle Ban, founder of Nagpur Bhosle dynasty, at 47.15 lakh in the auction held in London. ठीक है। Following a terrorist incident in Pahalgaon, the government of India decided to halt water flow from Baglihar Dam located in Chenab River. Baglihar. ठीक है। In May 2025, the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment organized the Inclusive India Summit at Indian International Center in New Delhi. The prestigious Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago, Illinois, has received formal approval from UGC to open a campus in India, becoming the first American university to do so. क्या नाम है? Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago. On 29 May, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the state-of-art new terminal at Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport in Patna. न्यू टर्मिनल इनॉग्रेट हुआ है जयप्रकाश नारायण इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इन पटना बिहार बिल्ट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ अराउंड 1200 crore. The terminal is equipped with international level facilities. 29 May 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed the Sikkim at the rate of 50 event held in Gangtok, Sikkim. He also released a commemorative coin and postage stamp to mark the 5th anniversary of Sikkim statehood.